Hello students, today I am going to discuss about journal impact factor. I am Dr. A.K. Sarkar from Faculty of Science, Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University, Raipur. This topic is very important for PG students and students pursuing research. Now what is impact factor? Impact factor is an index based on the frequency with which a journal's articles are cited in scientific publications. The impact factor of a journal reflects the frequency with which the journal's articles are cited in the scientific literature. The impact factor of a journal is based on a 3-year period and can be considered to be the average number of times published papers are cited up to 2 years after publication. It's a marker of journal quality. So what is the need of impact factor? To evaluate the scholarly worth of a journal, rank journals within a discipline, help you decide where to publish your article for maximum impact, evaluation for promotion, tenure, grants, or in some countries even government funding of an institution. Frequently used as an evaluation shots by librarians during journal cancellations or new purchases. Now the main point is, how is it calculated? According to Journal Citation Reports, JCR, impact factor is a ratio between citations and recent citable items published. The impact factor of a journal is calculated by dividing the number of current year citations to the source items published in that journal during the previous 2 years. Remember, impact factor is only for a journal, not for an article. Now, calculation of JIF. For a particular journal, the journal impact factor of that journal in 2019 cites to articles published in 2017 and 18 and number of articles published in 2017 and 18. So for that journal, impact factor in 2019 is B by C. So it can better be understood by this example. This is the representative example of a journal Cell. Number of times articles or other items published in Cell during 2017-18 were cited in indexed journals during 2019, and number of citable articles published in Cell in 2018 and 17. That is, cites in 2019 to items published in 2017 plus 2018, that is 22087, and number of items published in Cell in 2018 and 2017, 709. So impact factor is 22087 divided by 709, that is 31.152. Where do we find JIF? Impact factors are listed in Journal Citation Reports, that is JCR. You can easily get to it, JCR, from the Web of Science. Both the Web of Science and the JCR are based on the same database of journal citations and cited references. Use Web of Science for article level information and JCR for journal level information. Use of impact factor for collection development, choosing journals for publication, journal assessment, marketing by publishers, evaluation of scholarly research and individual performance for purpose of tenure and promotion and also funding, evaluation of departments, institutions and nations. For search, we have to click Web of Science, bioxbio.com, scopus.com, googlescholar.com, quadsearch.com and Indian Citation Index. These are the sites where you can find journal impact factor. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.